Imagine cruising down a mountain road at sunset in one of the most charming, unusual vehicles you've ever seen. This isn't your average camper van, and it's definitely not your typical three-wheeled scooter either. It's a quirky fusion of both a vintage three-wheeled camper van that looks like it rolled straight out of a dream. At first glance, it might take you a second to understand what you're looking at. Is it a tiny RV, a scooter with a trailer, or some kind of retro art installation on wheels? The answer is a little bit of everything. With its soft curves, two-tone mint green and cream paint job, and compact size, this camper van is a nostalgic nod to the 1960s and 70s when design was fun, functional, and full of character. Let's take a closer look. From the front, you'll notice the unmistakable scooter-like shape. There's one single front wheel, tucked neatly under a rounded fender. Large, circular headlights stick out proudly on each side, giving the van a wide-eyed, almost friendly expression. The windshield is curved, with two old-school wipers perched on top like eyebrows, and a set of classic chrome side mirrors add to the retro feel. This vehicle doesn't just look cute, it's packed with personality. Step around to the side, and you'll see a compact door with a window leading into the camper section. Just behind it is a larger rectangular window, complete with curtains, hinting at the cozy interior waiting inside. Chrome trim outlines the windows, giving it that classic, polished finish you'd expect from a vintage restoration. And yes, it has a pop-up roof. That subtle rise along the top isn't just for show, it lifts to give extra headroom inside. Perfect for a bit of standing space when you're parked for the night. While we can't see the interior here, you can imagine it's as charming and space-efficient as the outside. Probably just enough room for a bed, a few shelves, and maybe a tiny kitchenette. Now, from the back, things get even more interesting. The camper's curved rear section mirrors the front, keeping the rounded, aerodynamic shape consistent all the way through. A small back window lets in light, and there are two tiny, round taillights mounted low near the bumper. There's also a set of vent slats, suggesting an engine compartment or perhaps airflow for a tiny fridge or stove inside. It's the kind of vehicle that turns heads wherever it goes. Not because it's flashy or loud, but because it's so rare and unexpectedly delightful. It's like something from a storybook, half camper, half scooter, and all charm. You can picture it parked next to a peaceful lake, or winding through a narrow European village, or even sitting in a museum as a piece of functional art. And let's talk about the color. That mint green paired with cream is the perfect choice, soft, vintage, and effortlessly cool. It's the kind of paint job that instantly makes you feel relaxed, like you're already on vacation the moment you see it. Whether you're a fan of tiny homes, retro vehicles, or just really creative design, this camper van has something special. It breaks the mold, blends categories, and reminds us that sometimes the best things in life come in small, unexpected packages.